Hello guys, this is Akash Kashyap and today in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of this brand new Honor VIEW20, the latest flagship from Honor. So guys, here's the box itself and this is written as not for sale. So guys, this is a review unit, not a resale unit, and you can see guys, here it is written as Honor VIEW20 model PCT L29. It is 128GB variant with the 6GB of RAM, and the color which I have is the midnight black color. And now just quickly open the box and see how is the device. So guys, this is the device itself. Let me just check, and we'll check on the phone later. Let me check what are the rest inbox content of this device, and now let's quickly see. So guys, here we have this SIM ejector pin, and this must be some documentations. Oh no, here we have a back cover. This is a back case, which is a TPU case provided with this. Okay, let me keep this to a side. No documentation is being provided, as this is a review unit, not a regular unit. So guys, this is a charger, which is, you can see, Huawei supercharge. So guys, this is a supercharger and it can quick charge your device. This is the power brick, and here we have this let me just remove this to a side and see how is the cable. So guys, we have this USB Type-C cable bundled with it. Okay, so this is what we get with this device, nothing else in the box. So let's quickly keep the box aside and see how the device works. So guys, this is the inbox content of Honor VIEW20. So let's remove all the inbox contents to a side as of now, and let me show you if you put it to the cover. So how will it look? This is its look when you put the back case to it. It is for protection. Okay, now let me just boot this device up and see how this device works. So it is asking for the setup. So till the time I set this device up, let me give you a physical overview of the device. So guys, on the front we have this 6.40 inches full HD plus screen. Guys, you can notice that it has all display and nothing else here, and they gave the front facing camera in a whole display. And guys, a small grill is here which is used for in-call speaker, and on the left of the phone we have this SIM tray. On the bottom of the phone we have this primary microphone, charging slot, which is a Type-C, speaker grill. On the right side of the phone we have this toggle and the power button. On the top of the phone we have this 3.5mm audio jack, a secondary noise cancellation mic, IR blaster, and some other sensor as well. On the back we have this 48 megapixel camera, LED flash. Here it is printed as AI vision, and this is the fingerprint scanner. This is the new Honor branding, which is a new logo, and here are some of the declarations which have been made. So guys, I just finished setting up the device, and if I raise the device, it will, yeah, so it is quite fast. As you can see, I'm just raising the device and it is opening the fingerprint scanner. So here's the fingerprint scanner. Just tap and it unlocks, tap, unlocks. So this is crazy fast, no doubt on this. It runs on the Magic UI, the storage of 128 GB. And guys, the main thing what everyone asks is what is the SIM configuration or the SIM options here in V20. What are the options? So guys, as this is a 128 GB variant, so it only supports 2 nano SIMs. No SD card or hybrid solution is given with this device. USB of the device. So let's quickly look at the camera. Enable all the services. So guys, let's just take a sample shot of this bottle, this Honor bottle here. uh, okay okay so guys, this I just took 2 photographs with it, and just see the details, guys, and see the blur effect on the background. Yeah, feature is, and guys, we have the night mode. This is tap into zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. So this is also what we have this option. If we talk about the video, so we have a default resolution of 1080 pixel full HD, where it can be raised up to 4K UHD. So guys, this was about the unboxing and the first look of this Honor VIEW20. I hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, so hit that like button and share this video to your friends and your family. Soon guys, I'll be posting the review of this smartphone and the camera specific video. Thank you.